In this video, I'll show you how to verify your identity in Google AdSense step by step so you can receive payments without delays. Start by logging into your AdSense account and going to the Payments section from the left sidebar, then click Payments Info. Here, select Add Payments Account and carefully enter your legal name, address, and banking details exactly as they appear on official records. Accuracy is very important because even small mismatches can cause verification issues. Once submitted, go to the Verification Check section to monitor your status and see if any action is required. If prompted, update your details to avoid delays. Keep in mind that verification may take some time depending on your region and review process. Always ensure you're using correct and consistent information to prevent payment issues. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.